Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video as about gold, right? So let's get started. Let me show you the gold monthly chart. This was the monthly chart, and I've been tracking this, and I've been trading. So wave 3, wave 4, and we're supposed to go up there for wave 5. Out of that, we had wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 was underway. Now, wave 5 also categorizes like, I made a smaller time frame, the weekly charts, like wave 1, 2, and then going wave 3, follow, it's going to drop for wave 4, and then wave 5. So let's take a look at that, and this is how it is, right? So I made this chart basically like this. This is the chart, right? So this was long ago, August 31st, right? So it's wave 1, 2, and wave 3 should be ending somewhere here and then drop for wave 4. So what happened to this chart, for example? So we went up there a little bit more for wave 3, right? And then I said, okay, this is where we're going to drop for wave 4. And since then, we started dropping for wave 4. And then we came down here. I made several charts in between. So, but that's going to be too many charts. Video is going to be too long. So it came down here, went up, and then when it was here on December 7, I said it's going to go up for wave B, finishing with like A, B, C, for B, and then it's going to drop for wave C. So what happened to this chart? This is a 4-hour chart, by the way, right? So this is what happened. So it went up. So I made another chart that's going to drop on the 11th, last weekend, right? So last weekend to this weekend, what happened so far? It is coming down here, nice and clean. So this is the chart here that saying that, okay, if we stay below 2624, we're going to drop. Again, this was when we were here. So let's see now the current today's chart I made, another chart like this. Again, this number is in play, right? 2624 is the key number. So we broke below it, then we went up today, testing it, and then we went up a little bit more. We are above it. Let me see the current chart. The current 4-hour chart is today, like, the market is still open. It's 3 p.m. that I'm making the video. So it's slightly above this 2624, which as you can see here right now, it is doing 2626. So let's see if we can hold this number and then drop from there again. Maximum, I would say that it may go up to 2643. I doubt it, but that would be the borderline, either this number or that number. And then we need to go down below this low here, right? For wave C. So let's see what happens, right? So coming down, I made several, every step of the way I'm making her trade, right? And I post them. I made the weekly chart, weekly, not chart, weekly recap, right? So the today trade coming down, gold trade, you can see there's that there. So once you have the direction in place that, okay, this is what's going to happen, all we have to do is look for the entry, right? So my entry system, I have alarm as well as a robot that opens the trade automatically, right? So whatever you have or whatever you want to get, alarm is much cheaper, robot is a little more. But I use a robot if I'm not available. If I know that this thing is going to drop here, right? So I make the robot like short only, and I put it on the 7-minute chart and my 20-minute chart, all of that, the entry chart. And if the prices start dropping, if the setup is there, EA open the trade automatically and place the SL automatically. That's how I am doing it. All right. So this is it for now. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. And they are very informative, videos, especially for gold. And if I make the, US dollar index, give you, hint for a lot of good trades coming. Right. So this is it for now. I'll be going away for the weekend, maybe a couple of more days. I don't know just yet, but definitely for the weekend. So, and after that, when I come back, then I'll make the video again for the current situation. All right. So this is it for now. As from this is 3 p.m. Friday, and I will be probably leaving in a couple of hours, and then the rest of the Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, I'll be gone. All right, so Omar is going to be here, so he will, if you have any question, if you need anything, you can ask him. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.